Hey guys, I'm here with David Jacobson, the freshman goalie for the ASU hockey team. And David, I really appreciate you taking some time talking today.
Absolutely, man. I always look forward to speaking with people and trying to just teach you guys about the team and everything that's going on.
So you're from Calabasas, and I'm from Redlands, two Southern California boys here now in the Arizona desert, talking about hockey of all things. What has this year been like for you, your first year here with the Sun Devils?
I mean, it's been great. You don't obviously not a very traditional hockey market, but at the end of the day, I mean, hockey's growing and it's expanding, and I'm just glad to be part of the hockey transitioning, moving out west, and hopefully it does get to back to our hometowns and gets bigger out here in the West Coast.
For you personally, you had the first shutout in NCAA history. You had a really good, solid first year. How do you rate your first year, and what are you most proud of?
Obviously very proud of that shutout, but it's not just a personal thing. It's a team effort, and I mean, I'm proud of all the guys for that.
What are your goals for yourself personally going into next year? What do you need to work on during the offseason, and what do you feel like you need to improve on for next year?
I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds of things you can work on. I mean, just fine-tuning your game to the smallest millimeters, what's going to get you to the next level and get you higher and playing more and getting better in every aspect of goaltending and honestly anything. So, I mean, it's going to be just a whole summer of hard work and do whatever I can to get in the lineup next year.
And what do you tell people who don't really, understand hockey or know about it? And what do you tell them to try to get them to actually start paying attention and notice what's going on out here?
Just come to a game. I mean, if you don't like college hockey, I say you have no heart, no soul. I mean, this is the most exciting stuff. Even going to other schools and being a part of that whole experience has been unbelievable for me, and I've played hockey my whole life. So it's always, like I always say to everybody, come watch a game. I guarantee you'll love it.
David, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.